wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I did unbox this PR package in my vlog video. It's new releases from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and said, would you guys want to see a video, you know, on all of them? You guys said yes, so that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to know more, let's go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. These are the new launches. So the first one is this Power Grip Primer. They already have a Power Grip. It's the one that's a more teal color, mint, blue-green color. But this has 4% niacinamide. This retails for $10. It says the best-selling makeup primer now with 4% niacinamide to even skin tone. Okay, so I am pretty sure I pumped out like way too much, but we're here, so we're gonna make it work. It definitely has that, you know, gripping effect to it. And I guess I would have to do this next part before foundation. They also launched the complexion enhancing color correctors. So Camo color correctors, $4 each. Camouflages coloration and dullness with crease resistant formulas in 5 corrective shades. The one that I guess I would, come on. So orange camouflages dark spots in tan to rich skin tones. I think I said it in the vlog video. I don't really have, you know, dark under eyes or hyperpigmentation around them. That's usually like where you see people apply it. But you know, I have it, so let's try it out. See what it looks like under makeup. Oh. Alright, let's just a little bit. I do have a little mustache that could use a little camouflaging. And then just blend that in. Okay, next up, these are the Radiance Booster Bronzers. They're the Luminous Putty Bronzers that retail for this retails for $7. Your fave putty to powder formula now has a glowing sun-kissed finish, available in 8 shades. Oops. No. Too light. So I'll use that deepest shade that was in the box. So this is Frequent Flyer. Okay. Shade looks like this. Definitely looks luminous, but the shade isn't giving warmth. It's giving a little borderline contour. But let's just try it out. I'll swatch it. I think she's giving a little sheen. It added a lot of darkness though, because the color it's not giving a bronzer shade. So go a little lighter on the other side of my face. And there's only one more thing to try. This is their Lash and Roll Mascara. Retails for $6. Get maximum curl and unbeatable lift with the double-sided and curved silicone brush. Available in 2 shades. So I'm assuming this is just the black shade. Yeah.
Okay. So that is one eye with it, one eye without. That's 2 coats on this eye. I like what I see. Now, I do use a lash primer from Dior, which it really makes mascara pop. So this is it without it. E.l.f. might have done something. I don't know, y'all. Mascara is giving it, it's doing what it needs to do, but this is gonna be my face for the day. I'm gonna give it a little, you know, wear test just to see, again, what the makeup wears like on this primer, the color corrector, the bronzer, how that looks like midday, and then I'll wrap it up, let you know my thoughts on the products I just tried.